All the latest Chromebook nowadays support Google Play Store. Using it, you can install Android application on your Chromebook. However, if you are wondering which Android version is installed on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Here in this video, we will discuss how we can check Android version on Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. To check the Android version, simply click on this app launcher icon and open Settings application. Click on Apps tab. Here click on Google Play Store option. If you are not able to click on Google Play Store option, then Google Play Store support is disabled on your Chromebook. So I already made a video on how you can enable Google Play Store. So I'll put the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Google Play Store on your Chromebook, you will be able to access Google Play Store settings. Now here, to manage your Android settings, simply click on Manage Android Preferences and it will open the Android setting interface. To check the Android version, simply scroll down and here click on System option, and here you will find About Device option. Simply click on it and here you will find your Android version. Here you can see currently on my Chromebook, Android version 9 is installed and I have March 5, 2024 security patch. So this way you can also check your Android version on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.